Hello students, today's topic is relationship between marginal cost and average total cost. Let's start. Whenever marginal cost is less than average total cost is falling. तो वो ये कह रहा है हमसे that whenever marginal cost is less than average total cost is falling. And we can also see this thing in this figure that whenever marginal cost is less than average total cost, इसका मतलब क्या है that MC curve lies below the ATC curve. MC curve lies below the ATC curve. That means in this portion, MC curve के इस पोर्शन को आप सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करो और देखो कि ये जो MC curve है it lies below the ATC curve. ओके और इस पोर्शन में ATC इज डिक्लाइनिंग, ATC इज फॉलिंग. So whenever MC is less than ATC or MC curve lies below the ATC curve, ATC is falling. And whenever marginal cost is greater than average total cost, ATC is rising. तो अब वो ये कह रहा है that whenever MC curve is greater than or MC is greater than average total cost, ATC is rising. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है that whenever MC curve lies above the ATC curve, मतलब ये पोर्शन MC curve का इस पोर्शन को आप ऑब्जर्व करो that MC curve lies above the ATC curve. ठीक है, and in this portion ATC is rising. ATC is rising. To see why, consider an analogy. Average total cost is like your cumulative grade point average, and marginal cost is like the grade in the next course you will take. If your grade in your next course is less than your grade point average, your grade point average will fall. Okay, हम इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. तो जो ये चीज़ है that grade in your next course, it is marginal cost, and grade point average, it is average total cost. So whenever MC is less than ATC, the grade point average, the ATC will fall. एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं इसको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर आर टू कोर्सेस, कोर्स A, कोर्स B. फाइन. The marks in course A 4 marks, marks in course B 3 marks. Fine. What will be the average of the marks of these two courses? If I'll find the average, it will be 4 plus 3 by 2, which is 7 by 2, which is 3.5. Fine. Okay. Now let's suppose that now there is also course C. Fine. Now if your grade in your next course in course C is less than the average, average कितना है 3.5. ठीक है, एवरेज कितना है 3.5 मार्क्स. और अगर जो मार्क्स हैं कोर्स सी में वो लेस हो, इट इज लेस देन दिस 3.5. सपोज दैट आई एम टेकिंग दैट इट इज 2 मार्क्स which is less than this average, right? Now the new average will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, which is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 by 3, which is 3. So you can easily see that this ATC, this average is decreased. It is decreased from 3.5 to 3. तो यही वो समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि अगर ये मार्जिनल कॉस्ट थी, if this is the marginal cost and marginal cost is less than the average total cost, then ATC falls from 3.5 to 3. Clear? Now, if your grade in your next course is higher than your grade point average, your grade point average will rise. तो वही हम same example use कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. For example, again, if I am taking that course A, 4 marks, course A, course B, 3 marks, what will be the average? 4 plus 3 by 2, which is 7 by 2, it is 3.5 marks. Fine. Now, suppose that there is course C now. So if your grade in your next course in course C is higher than this average, so let's suppose I'm taking it as 5 marks. Fine. So this 5 is greater than 3.5, right? New average will be 4 plus 3 plus 5 by 3. So this will be 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 3, 4. 4 marks. So you can see that if this marginal cost is higher than the average total cost, then average total cost increases from 3.5 to 4 marks. Clear? The mathematics of average and marginal cost is exactly the same as the mathematics of average and marginal grades. This relationship between average total cost and marginal cost has an important conclusion. That is, the marginal cost curve crosses the average total cost curve at its minimum. तो ये हम फिगर से यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं that this marginal cost curve, it crosses the average total cost curve at its minimum point. इस पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे ये दोनों कर्व इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. So at this point MC is equal to ATC, राइट? आपको पता है कि जब व्हेन टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, अभी जो MC कर्व और ATC कर्व इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं इस पॉइंट पे, सो एट दिस पॉइंट this marginal cost will be equal to average total cost, and at this point you can see that ATC is minimum. So MC curve crosses the average total cost curve at its minimum point. Clear? Even we can also make a final conclusion that first point, when MC is less than ATC, when MC curve lies below the ATC curve, ATC is falling. Second point, when MC is equal to ATC, ATC is minimum, right? And last point, when MC is greater than ATC, that means marginal cost curve lies above the ATC curve, this region. When marginal cost curve lies above the average total cost curve, ATC is rising. Fine. Thank you.